English teacher. Today's topic is prose, lesson number 3 to class 11th. Lesson is The Ant and the Grasshopper by W.S. Mom, William Somerset Maugham. Very famous American writer. In this story, the writer starts with a fable. Fable is a kind of story in which animals are the characters playing the role of human beings, like human characters. Here two characters the writer has taken, the ant and the grasshopper. Ant is the symbol of hard-working creature, and whereas the grasshopper is the symbol of very idle or lazy character. Ant, being very hard-working creature, keeps collecting grains in the days of summer to fulfill its granary, whereas the grasshopper was passing his days in playing, singing, dancing, and passing his days for nothing. When winter comes, the ant was very comfortable because its granary was full, and the grasshopper was suffering because it had no grains in its granary. So the grasshopper, with a hope, went to the ant for some food. When he put his desire, the ant gave him a classic answer that you were wasting your time so in singing and playing, so now you go and dance. So the story, this fable, gives us a moral lesson that hard-working people are respected, they are comfortable, hard work is rewarded. The writer says that in this imperfect world, industry is rewarded and greediness is punished. The story moves on and he connects these two creatures to two persons of a family, George Ramsay and Tom Ramsay. George Ramsay resembled the character of the ant. He was a very hardworking, serious man to his family. In his family, he had his wife, 4 daughters. He was very responsible man. He was the best father to his daughters. He was very regular to his office. He was hardworking. He hardly takes leave during his office days, during working days. Whereas Tom Ramsay resembles the character of grasshopper. He was from the same family. The family was very respectable, but he was a black sheep in that family. He was very idle. He also had his wife and a business, but after some days he left his wife and business because he loved enjoying himself. He did not want to take any kind of burden or responsibility from the family. So he went away from his home and he was passing his days with his friends. A lot of friends he had around him. He spent his money on luxuries. According to Tom Ramsay, the money spent in luxuries was interesting and the money spent in necessities is boring. One day, the writers found George Ramsay, that was the elder brother of Tom Ramsay, found sitting alone in a restaurant. He was very sad. The writer asked him what was the reason of his sadness, and he guessed that is it the reason your younger brother Tom? George Ramsay replied, yes, Tom is the reason of my sadness. Here the writer describes the story of, very little story of Tom Ramsay, about his character. He did not care for his family. He did not care for the respect of his elder brother. His elder brother George Ramsay, very respectable man, respectable lawyer, and Tom Ramsay did not care for the prestige and honor of his family. He totally depended on his brother for money. Sometimes he had to borrow money from his relatives or friends, and he maintained himself. Nobody of his friends or relatives could deny him giving money, because he was talking in a very special way. He was demanding the money in a very special way that nobody could deny. One day, George Ramsay heard a news of his younger brother Tom, that one of his friends, one of the friends of Tom Ramsay, that was Cronshaw, cheated him. Cronshaw was cheated by Tom Ramsay. The news came to George Ramsay, and he was going to complain at the court. So George Ramsay did not want to make the matter worse. So he went to Cronshaw and asked about his demand to settle the matter outside of the courtroom. He demanded £500 for that. So George Ramsay paid Cronshaw £500, and after some time, George Ramsay heard the news that Cronshaw and Tom Ramsay, both of them, took the money away, and they went to Monte Carlo to spend a happy month there. Hearing this news, George Ramsay was very shocked, and from that day he decided never to give any money to his younger brother Tom. But he was thinking that Tom Ramsay would spend his following days in gutter. It means the future of Tom Ramsay was going to be very, very disgusting and suffering. One day, again, George Ramsay was found very dejected, very nervous, very sad in his house. When the writer asked about the matter, the elder brother George Ramsay replied him that I never thought that this day would come. When the writer asked what happened, the George Ramsay replied that I have heard a news that I never expected from Tom Ramsey. When he described the matter, he tells that Tom Ramsey has recently engaged with a elderly woman that was like his mother, and after engagement she died before the marriage, and she left behind her a yacht, a house in London, a house in village, and about $50,000. This was the money that George Ramsey, in his whole life with hard working, he never earned. So George Ramsey was very depressed to hear this, because he expected that Tom Ramsey had been very lazy, very idle, so he would spend his days very suffering in the future. But it was totally opposite. So, hearing this news, the writer began to laugh, and his laughing made George Ramsey more sad. So here ends the story, and this was also full of humor. The writer wants to give us a lesson that through this story, that hard working or industry is always rewarded, although the example is opposite to the moral of this fable, but this should not be done by any human being. Hard work should not be neglected. This story is normally told to the young children just to know the value of hard working. That's all. Thank you.